Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're back in Anaheim, and this time we're staying at the Marriott by the Anaheim Convention Center. So now we're gonna get into this room tour. So right when you come in, we kind of have this little open foyer area. There is a closet with one robe, singular. There are a few hangers. The ironing board is in here. Now the iron is actually over in the bathroom itself, but you can fill out your slip for housekeeping, and there are extra linens up there. Back over here in this alcove, missed the light, haha, is the ice bucket. They did give us a new bag, which is really nice, and a coffee maker and some extra cups down here. Now, there is not a mini fridge in this room, I do not think, unless it's over there. I have not found one yet, but cute little storage space, cute little coffee maker. There is a full-length mirror right over here. And then over in this corner is a little storage stool bench situation. So next up, we're gonna look at the main living part. So this is the main workspace. There is like a little chair right here. You do have quite a bit of length to work on. However, you can only really sit on this end. There are multiple plugs, USBs on this wall. There's a drawer, and I did find the mini fridge. So there is a mini fridge back over here in this little tucked away cabinet. Now the TV is probably somewhere around like 60 to 65 inches, which is decent if you're standing here, but when you're on the bed and you're super far away from it, it just barely cuts it. We also have a balcony out here, but we'll get to that at the end. Next up, we're gonna show you the bed space. So we did get a king size bed. Now there are other options that have two queens, as is typical with most hotels. I will say this, the bed was absolutely amazing last night. Like, I felt like it was so comfortable. We did get some extra pillows delivered to the room because it did come with 4 pillows, which I will say Marriott does a better job about putting 4 pillows on a king size bed than Hilton. Hilton tends to give you 3 for whatever reason. I don't really know the reason behind it, but it's just a little quirk of theirs. There are 2 sconces on either side, and there are USB and actual plugs on both sides. My side had the phone. I believe Gary's side had the alarm clock. There is a safe over here in this corner, as well as 2 drawer spaces. Now I will say, at night, this is a dark room. The room is pretty dark. There's not a whole lot of lighting situation going on in here. I almost feel like it's a little Vegas-esque. Kind of strange. The one thing I will say about like this area space is there's no dining room table or chairs. There's just one little kind of can go up to the side of the bed table. This feels very much like a room made for one person instead of 2 people. It's very business-esque. It doesn't really feel very welcoming to more than one person. Next up, we're gonna go check out the bathroom. Welcome to the bathroom. It is a very simple setup of a bathroom. It is a walk-in shower. There's a toilet over here in this little alcove, and then it is a single sink. Once again, like very much like single traveler-esque, not really very couple-like or even family-like. Maybe there's other rooms that feel a little bit more family-esque. The iron, like I said, is under the cabinet here, as well as the blow dryer, extra towels. And they did give us like basic amenities like cups and soap. Over here, like I mentioned, is the shower. And there are soaps and shampoos in the shower itself. The water pressure was pretty decent last night, and it did get nice and warm. Overall, I would say the shower was a decent experience. Next up, we're gonna go check out the the balcony. Welcome to the balcony. It is a nice, long, spacious balcony. However, there are no overhead lights out here at night, so if you want to come out here and sit, you're definitely going to be in the darkness. And then our view isn't really the greatest view. We have a view of the Anaheim Convention Center, but we also have a lovely view of all of these solar panels and the fans that run. I'm guessing they must run them, or maybe those are the air conditioning units for the ballrooms, are a little loud. So when you open the door, that's all you hear is the loud rush of the fans. But overall, I will say like the noise for this room isn't bad. And it's actually kind of chilly today, believe it or not. It's April, guys, and it's in the 50s. Where's my sunny California?
Here are the hallways that you head through. That's what they look like, kind of old looking. Ice machine, and apparently on the 3rd floor, if you need some vending machines, that's where you go. Something interesting about the hotel elevators is it's one of those where you pre-push the floors and it tells you which elevator to go to. F.
I'm not a fan. I don't like this.
What's that?
I'm not a fan. It makes me feel trapped.
Agreed. I'm not a huge fan of it either. All right, we're heading to the Concierge Lounge. Right this way. This way you get in the Concierge Lounge. It's pretty big. Here's the view from the lounge. See everything in the distance. Can you imagine living there? That'd be kind of cool. Nancy said that she thinks that one of the vloggers we watch used to live there too.
I think that's the Embassy Suites station. The first one.
Oh, the one by the stadium?
Yeah, I think that's it.
Interesting. Yeah, there's those weird apartment complexes right across the way. That could be it. Nice view though. Some interesting things to look at. We hope you enjoyed the view from our room. It's a little bit different from that. This is kind of interesting at the front door. They have like a projector that does a Marriott Bonvoy on the floor. Just thought it was kind of neat when you walk in. Here's the lobby. There's New Fuse, or Infuse, bar and kitchen. Check-in's over there. It's really nice. Here's the bar area. It's right off the lobby, and then the pool's right behind me. So come for the pool. This is where you check in, the little lobby area, and then the conference center is over that way. If you head past the bar, there's the pool. Ooh. It's a little chilly today, but not too bad. They got some outside seating at the bar. And there is the pool.
I'm guessing this must be the garden view.
This, yeah, Mason just said in case you didn't hear it. What'd you say?
This is the garden view.
So if you get a garden view room, this is a
garden.
So there's kind of a garden, yes. There's some plants. I don't know if I count that as a garden.
It looks nice. Like there's like a whole like overpass thingy over there.
Right. So you got like a shaded area, and then you got the outside area. Pretty nice. What do you think?
I like it. If it was warmer and sunnier, we'd definitely be out here.
We got this nice unwind area. It's got a pool table, shuffleboard, some couches to hang out on. Sorry about the limping. Infused kitchen.
It kind of makes me think of the hotel in New Orleans
Yeah.
that had the stuff to do.
Yeah, it was that little private part of the hotel. Pretty cool. Some TVs. So they do have a store. There's the lobby again. There's the store. It's kind of nice. It's got some generic Anaheim stuff, a little bit of Disney, some Tommy Bahama, some different sunglasses. There's Nacy, and then behind her is the market where you can pick up some food and kind of like a cafeteria style.
And the pizza place is over there too.
And there's a pizza place. Okay, let's go see it. Here's a quick look at that market. It's got Starbucks, Some TVs. Kind of nice. Simple, in case you need something. Apparently your journey starts there, y'all. If you continue past the market, there is a little FedEx office for like shipping and stuff. And then behind us is a gym. But here is another exit where you can go out where that's the main lobby. And you can pick up your valet, I'm sorry, I was thinking the word valet car. Okay. There's the fitness center. A bunch of people are working out, so we'll show you that a little later. That's pretty much the layout of the hotel. If you're kind of interested, here's a overview map of the whole hotel. The Anaheim Marriott. You can get social with them. So they changed the water system after the day after we filmed it. So this is what the water looks like now. It also has a drink function. Something interesting we had at this hotel. All right, that concludes our stay here at the Bonvoy Marriott, close to Disneyland.
Yeah, so it's the Marriott at the Anaheim Convention Center. And if you're going to the convention center, I would say it's probably a win. If you're not going to the convention center, maybe look for something a little bit closer.
Yeah, it's definitely on the outskirts of what I would consider like walking distance for Disneyland. It's not a bad hotel, but if you want to stay here and watch fireworks, the other hotels actually block your view of fireworks. So you don't get any of that here. The amenities are okay. The bed was super comfortable. The shower was okay. It's a decently spaced room, but the space isn't used very well. So it's basically, like Nacy said at the beginning, for like one person.
Yeah, there's only one robe actually in the closet as well, which is kind of key point. It's probably made for one person.
Yeah. Again, though, but if you're going to like a con or something like that at the convention center, this might be your place to stay. Otherwise, I would definitely look at some other options closer to Disneyland, especially the JW Marriott is really nice.
When we compared this stay to our stay at the JW Marriott, I would say the JW Marriott ended up tapping out first, like on our list, versus this place. The food was better in the Concierge Lounge. The room was better spaced. We had a better view of DCA. We could see fireworks. Overall, the JW just kind of topped this. Now, again, like we said, not a bad hotel, but JW Marriott, I think, beats this one out. And if you guys want to see our other Disneyland hotel reviews, definitely check out the show notes below, because we've stayed at the Howard Johnson, we've stayed at the Holiday Inn, we've stayed at the JW Marriott, and now we've stayed here. So definitely all across different budgets.
Yeah, we're working our way around, so if there's a hotel you want us to stay at, definitely let us know in the show notes, because we'll be back in California multiple times this year.
Yeah, we're excited. So if you guys like this kind of content, make sure you give it a thumbs up.
Hit that subscribe button.
And make sure you ring that notification bell so that we get notified when we do at least 3 videos a week.
And we'll come and get you all for the next one.
Ain't that the truth, baby Ruth?
Bye, everybody.
Bye.